Hey guys, my name is Ariel Little, and I wanted to do a little tutorial example of what I followed from a tutorial research example I've been doing. You may slightly see an error for some odd reason. I'm still trying to fix it as I go on throughout this video. But the video tutorial I followed was moving an object or interacting with it and also making a button animation. I also made a folder to separate and of course organize my stuff. And once you go straight into the blueprints from my viewport, I actually added a collision to make sure you wouldn't go through the door, of course. And also made the door, well, I used the asset, I didn't make it. And also put a button example here to actually set up the action of how it works. For the construction script, I actually used a set relative transform, which will help it activate and make it work. For the button press animation, I also used a time lapse, and it was pretty hard at first. I was having a difficult time with it. I didn't really understand it while I was going through it, but it still worked, and it's really easy once you get to know it because I had a difficult time with it. But this right here is when I made the button press animation, and it's a really long code, so I separated the output code and the input code from this right here. Actually organized it, so I had to use a lot of things while I was following this tutorial, like uh, hitting E to interact with the button while it's in animation, and I did some other coding aspects as well. I used some variables while I was doing this. I used two floats, for example, the door, and I had to change some formulas around because, of course, it wasn't working when I was first doing it.